Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. After I got done filming my video for today, I realized I did not film an intro. I do apologize for that, but this will have to do. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I do my brows. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please keep watching. Alright, so first I'm gonna go in with the Great Brow Basics by Benefit right here. And what I like to do first is coat my brows with the Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. This little one right here. And this whole set is actually in the shade number 4. I believe it's medium brown and dark brown. I'm not too sure exactly. My sister actually got it for me. I like to coat my brows with this first. To brush the brows up. I like that wispy look to the brows. So next I'm going in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil right here. So I don't know if you guys can already see the difference in my brows. There's more shape to this one already, and now I'm just gonna do the same to this brow. So I like extending this out because I know people like to stop right here normally, but I like to go out a little past that because I feel like it just shapes my face a lot better. So I'm just gonna continue working on the inner corners of my brows, and then I'm going to extend my brows out a little bit more. Loving this little thing, so much easier just because I don't know if you guys can see, because it's so thin, it makes it so easy to work with, and I'm definitely gonna repurchase this once I'm out. Yes, so next what I'm gonna do is finish just extending out the brow. And I want to follow the shape of my brows as it is right now. I'm not going to be doing anything too extreme to it. Just like I said, I'm just going to be following the shape of it. I go through different phases of wanting that really arched brow, or having really straight brows, or having really bushy brows, or really thin brows. But right now I'm in the phase of having that almost straight brow. We're gonna give it a try. Alright, so that is it for the outline of my brows. Let me just show you guys what I did. This is where the hair stops, and extended it out pretty far. I am going to fill in my brows with the Brow Filling and Shaping Pencil right here. So very lightly, I'm going to fill in the rest of my brows. I'm just gonna fix it because I feel like it's uneven right now. I feel like that's always a problem that I have in my brows. One would be perfect in my eyes, and then the other would be just a disaster, and then it just... So I think that's it. My brows are filled and they look pretty even to me. I don't know, you guys be the judge of that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little video here. I hope it was somewhat helpful, but this is how I do my brows every day. And again, this is what works for me. And if you are interested in the products that I used, again, this is by Benefits. This is the Great Brow Basics. I have to say, I love this, you guys. I love this whole set. It just makes doing my brows so much easier and less stressful. For those of you who understand where I'm coming from, brows can be the most annoying part of doing makeup, but like many of you, I'm still learning as well on perfecting my brows and my makeup every day. I'm still learning as I go, so I hope this video was somewhat helpful for you guys. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to ask. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what else to say. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up. And I do apologize if I haven't been posting lately. I have just been in this rut and I am trying to slowly get back into making content for you guys. But yeah, I think that's it. So until next time, I will see you guys. Bye.